We are going to the city and we just about to cross the bridge. We have to pay like this. Oh, shaking car. It's not too crowded, or is it crowded? Oh, the bus passing us. You guys can see the city. This is the water that we're going over the bridge. What year did they build this one? We built it? I forgot.
Bay Bridge.
The Bay Bridge. This is the Bay Bridge to San Francisco from Auckland. From Richmond.
Đạo Phật đó nhá.
So cute.
Đạo Phật đó nghe nó sau này thì nó lại thử nghe nó lại thử tới trong cái cầu nguyện của người ta.
You see lots of boat on the right hand side. Where's the water at? The other side is over there. All the way that side is like a Summerfell. And over here, I think that's Alcatraz. Oh, it's not Alcatraz. Maybe Angel Island. Angel Island is where they put all the Asian people there when they have the war with the Japanese. And Alcatraz is the jail, the prison. Back to the bridge. This.
Chỉ có mấy người tin lành nó xúc sắc tao lôi đầu mình ra để mà cầu nguyện.
I thought it's not traffic, but it is traffic, huh?
7 minutes.
7 minutes of traffic. On my left hand side, that is where Auckland, San Jose, Haywood, that side, Milpitas. Oh, I show you guys where Alcatraz at, right there. That little island right there. Yep, that's right there is Alcatraz. It's the prison. Okay,
I want to
so
go
on the
before say
right,
you have to
right
make
there, those
appointment
are
and
brand
then
new
make it
condo. And then we're about to go. Is that called Thang No Hui Oi?
Dạ, thành rồi dạ.
We're about to go inside the Thang No.
Thiếu green đúng không? Nó thiếu cây nên nhìn nó khá là
People actually inside the new apartment over there. Okay, this Thang No is not that deep far away. Okay, we are already out of the Thang No. From here, you already see the city of San Francisco right here. San Francisco is so beautiful. Right there, you see the Golden Bridge. That is the Golden Bridge of San Francisco. Ah, yeah, why we stop there? So I was right. The big island right there, that is Angel Island, and then the middle island right here, that's this one is Alcatraz, and then the big island over here is Angel Island, and you can see the Golden Bridge, and then all the buildings. We actually going to eat at a restaurant called San Tang or Tang San. I cannot remember the restaurant name. Do you guys like water? Or do you guys like the land? I love water, even though I'm not a good swimming. That thing right there is the White Tower. San Francisco. I think they only have that in San Francisco.
Không biết nó có tính tử không với cái nhà bè đó lâu rồi đó. Nó phát về đi luôn rồi đó. SFO này nọ luôn hả? Đi hoài nữa. Mà còn đi hoài nữa phải ra San Jose uống đó.
Good thing my friend car window is so clean. I can capture some Bay Area for you guys. So from our house to Union Square without the traffic is like 30 minutes. With traffic, you can look at an hour, at another 30 minutes to get here. Yeah, pretty traffic on a Saturday. We're not too far from the airport. That's why you see airplane there. So we're about to exit, and even hard to exit. This is where we exit, and then we stuck in the traffic light. We are in Golden Gate area. Presidio is what my friends say. Some of this house are remodeling. Some of this house are so big. I'm from the Bay Area, but the ghetto side, okay? You don't want to go visit me because you might get killed. Just kidding. My left hand side is like, there's like port. My right hand side is like residential, people homes.
Canceling voice recognition.
Have you ever been to this area, John?
With you, yes. Inside there is Japanese garden, you say?
That's Golden Gate Park, Golden Gate Park, and nearby all around this area. Japanese garden, Botanica garden, Palace of Fine Art, Golden Gate Park, Stowe Lake.
Wow, so many amazing Presidio.
What's that Presidio area?
This is a Golden Gate Port area, but we're not going in there. Okay, my friend dropped us off. This place they used to call little China downtown, and this is what we're gonna eat at. Yay! Me and my friend are here. Yay! Hi! Oh, I thought it's the other way. Over here in San Francisco. Now we're walking around with friends, and you guys can look all the way down. It looks nicer when you come here, okay? My camera is not good, and we come for this thing, eat, and then this thing right here. It's windy. When you guys do come to San Francisco, please wear a jacket. So my friend wanna do this. And then, yeah. After this, we're gonna go home. It's so nice. Okay, we're just gonna go walk up now. We're walking up. Come on, lady, you guys can do it. You guys can do it. With the sandal.
Oh my God.
You can do it all night long.
All night long. Oh, this piece of cake.
Oh, look at the flowers, so beautiful.
It's not that.
Oh, wow. They're young. I cannot catch up.
My knees are getting hurt.
Oh, yeah.
No, Wendy.
Hey,
It's growing our backyard.
yeah.
What?
Okay. Let me stop record so I can walk off. I can't breathe. This mean.
Good job. Hurry up before I kick you down. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Nothing on here though.
My man didn't
ask a
take a
lady
picture.
to help us.
Every single one have they write something.
Maybe the name,
Yeah,
maybe the name of the food.
yeah. It's a lot to read.
If you want, I can just get
It's
out
too much
pen
weight.
and write your name on this.
Okay, do that. You guys, I make it all the top to the top. It's not that far, but I'm just not the type that like to go walk and hike. My fence is not bad. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that big tree. Even though my fence is not bad, but I'm good. I like this house. I like all the house in here. So nice. So nice. Walk a while back to your car. Now we're walking down the neighborhood and we see this beautiful church in front of Golden Bridge, but colorful home. And then this is Chinese school or no? Some outlet home you.
Yeah, it's a
Fong.
school.
Oh, outlet Fong
Alternative.
alternate school. And then we was over there
Alternative school.
early. Ooh, look, San Francisco have mountain, have tree. Now we are in different step, and it's this one, Highton Garden step. When we go up there, we have garden or what is it?
No, that's how you see all the chippy garden plants.
Left, right, okay. So we walk a lot and look at this beautiful house. I love the color of yellow, orange, brown. And look at this happy man right here. He's so happy. He have a chicken. And then look at this colorful blue house. So colorful. My friend. And then here another one. So basically, we're gonna go boba after this. Oh, and then we're gonna go get boba. But then I don't think I can drink because I have a tummy issue. Yeah, so beautiful. What are you? You're so pretty. So
Pretty like
beautiful.
Liu Choi.
Oh yeah, pretty like me. Your house so pretty. Keep it like this. And then
You walk to your house.
In East Bay, right?
Huh?
You guys never live in San Francisco?
No.
No.
Oh, my sister used to live in San Francisco.
Which sister?
Number 5?
number 5.
Does she move back?
Yeah, she moved to Fremont.
My move with a Freeman. Look at how beautiful
Because all of
San
us are
Fran.
here.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, because your father.
Your mother too.
Yeah, big family.
I like to have big family.
How many
It's
sisters?
fun.
Me?
Wow, look at this. Longesa. My
Look at all
goodness.
this plants.
Oh, look at that
Welcome
house.
to my home in the future, I meant.
Look at the turtle.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you like
When
that?
we win.
Hui? Oh.
Oh, yeah. When we win lottery, we move to San
Yeah.
Francisco.
We tried to win the billion, but we end up not winning.
Yeah. Soon. Oh my, that's the one you like, huh?
Oh, that's
My.
pretty.
The one you like also have different color.
Oh, look at this. I like this one. This looks like firecracker.
Yeah, firecracker.
Right? It looks
Boom,
like
boom,
firecracker.
boom. In my boom, boom, boom.
boom.
It look like color, but it's real.
This really look like firecrackers.
Yeah, take a
Right?
picture. So this is the place where we get our boba right here. Inside is a lot of people and we are waiting for our boba. They have so much fun. I remember when I was there. Okay, we are in Japantown. And then we go inside. And my friend gonna buy some matcha. Cause we don't like cause she doesn't like the other she doesn't want to drink boba. She wants matcha. And she only like to buy in Japantown. Here in San Francisco. Ah. So we're gonna go inside the mall. They're fixing that like forever. Yeah, I'm different from you. Only this kind of occasion only. Okay, we inside the mall, Japan Center. Welcome. I'm not gonna walk around. My friend like that place. Oh, crowded now. It's weekend. It's crowded. We go a little bit. This is they have two story. One on the bottom. I'm upstairs. We ate in this restaurant. And my friends and they are fan of Japanese food. They like it. A lot of tourists come here. They do have happy hour. They do have seating. Lucky Cat. And then another fan love this boba shop right here called Pink Pink. Right here, Pink Pink. So if I go up there, it's gonna take me to go downstairs, but we could go upstairs real quick. You go up, then you go down. And then you're gonna go down. I'm gonna show you guys how down look like. Ooh, this AC feel nice. This is like a group of tourists. Oh, sorry. And then if you go downstairs, right here, and then you go down.